What is up, my friends? So today I'm just going to show you real quick how to download and install R or R Studio. And I actually don't remember the website address. It's probably rstudio.com, but I'm just going to Google it. R Studio. Okay, look at that. It was rstudio.com, and then just click on download R Studio. Of course, if you are on a PC, things might be a little bit different, but we're just going to do the desktop version. And we're going to choose, or I'm going to choose Mac. You can choose Windows if that is how you roll. And then looks like it's a big file, so I will be back in just 1 second. And now, through the magic of time lapse, here we are. It has finished downloading. So I'm going to go ahead and open it. And that's going to take its sweet time. All right, and then drag and, whoops. Drag and drop into applications, of course. Oh, and I'm actually not going to keep both because I already have it. So I'm just going to go stop, but you probably wouldn't get that message unless you already have RStudio. And then at that point, you can open up RStudio. So I'm going to go to my applications folder, go to RStudio right here. And it has previously opened documents here. I'm not going to do that, but what you can do is you can go to File, New File, and then R Script, and then you are ready to program in R. So let's say we want to compute the sum of 2 and 2. So you type 2 plus 2, and then all I did just now was hit Command Return, and then over here on that window it shows me the results. I like to keep my results panel a little bit bigger, and then that we're not going to use right now. And then maybe we'll go 1 through 10. It'll show us numbers 1 through 10, and maybe as our first plot we will go plot 1 through 10, comma 1 through 10. What that's going to do is it's going to plot 1 through 10 on the x-axis and then 1 through 10 on the y-axis. Run that. Oh, don't like that. Let's see what it did. Oh, that's weird. All right, well, I'll figure out what that is. But that's how you download and get started running R. And of course, it might be a good idea to save the script. And we'll see you next time.